Pink makes the girls wink. No, it's the other one, isn't it? Hello guys, Erkin back again. This is the life of a broski, and this is another episode of Buy or Buy. Before we get started, click the subscribe button and the bell icon so when these videos come out, you're the first to know. Growing up in the 90s, it was either PlayStation 1 or N64. And fortunately enough for me, I had a PS1 and a Super Nintendo. Didn't get the N64. Now this, without further ado, is an Air Max 97 N64. Right, before I just show you this, I need to look at that. Look how cool that is. Nike, you have outdone yourself. 4 colors, all reminding you the iconic Nintendo badge. But just look, let's get into the trainer. Just look at this. You do have reflective accents here. Don't know if you can tell in this lighting. But just look at the colors, the reds, the blues, the greens. Oof, and the yellow. Nah, you know what, Nike? Honestly, nah, you're taking the mick. Reset. Right, do you know what? What does that say? Power. We've got power and reset. This is bringing me back. Like, I just feel like I'm playing GoldenEye right now. That boomerang of a joystick. Fairly traditional design, just the red accents here. So you do have the Nintendo colors here. Yellow, blue, red, green. Now, of course, the grey symbolizes the controller from the Nintendo 64 and the cartridges. You got the Air Max designed in 1997. Without any more waffling, I'm gonna try these on so you can see what these are like on foot, whether they're true to size, and just how amazing they'll look with my added sauce. So, I'll see you in a tick. So my verdict, is it a buy or a buy? Do you know what? You know what my answer is going to be. It's a buy. Nike, take my money. Simple fact is, they're true to size. The colors just bring me back. Every time I wear these, I'm just going to think of my childhood. So Nike, you are a genius. Thank you. All jokes aside, they are stylish, very eye-catching, but not too much. They didn't overdo it. Colors were implemented in the right way. The tongues just amaze me. Reset and power. Who thought of that? Wow. But anyway, this is very much a 97 shoe. You know what you're gonna get. Very comfortable, lightweight, and very durable. And they'll last. 97s normally do last. Because of the partitions in the Air Maxes, they won't really burst. Because some Air Maxes do tend to pop. So anyways guys, that's enough from me. Hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and of course, broskies, until next time, take care.